students. I hope you all are fine. Class 4. Subject Social Studies. Lecture number 7. How to use a map scale. So students, do you know why we use map scale? We use scale to measure the distance between two places because on a map it is impossible to measure the distance. For example, students, if we cover up the distance by the help of a map, so how can we know that how much distance we have covered? So students, we use different types of scales for measuring the distance between two or more than two places. We use scale to show different things on a map. For example, students, एक बॉय ठीक है, इसकी आपको पिक लेनी है। देखिए, पिक लेने के बाद उसकी जब हमने पिक्चर ली मोबाइल में, तो देखिए पिक्चर बिल्कुल सेम आई होगी, जैसा उसने पोज दिया होगा, जो उसका फेस होगा वो क्या होगा, बिल्कुल सेम आएगा। लेकिन डिफरेंट क्या होगा, देखिए जो बॉय की एक्चुअल जो लेंथ थी वो डिफरेंट आएगी और जो मोबाइल पर आपने पिक कैप्चर की थी उसकी लेंथ अलग होगी। इसी तरह से मैप में हम स्केल यूज़ करते हैं। देखें फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर एक ट्री है तो ट्री तो बहुत बड़े होते हैं, हम ट्री को एक पेपर पे मैप पर ड्रॉ नहीं कर सकते, ठीक है ना, क्योंकि लेंथ और विड्थ दोनों बहुत ज़्यादा होती है ट्री की। इसी तरह से मैप में हम क्या करते हैं, स्केल यूज़ कर लेते हैं, क्योंकि जिस तरह से ट्री बहुत बड़ा है, ट्री को हम ड्रॉ नहीं कर सकते, तो हम क्या करते हैं, स्केल की मदद से चीज़ों का डिस्टेंस देख लेते हैं। फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, इधर एक रिवर है और इधर एक स्कूल है। अब हमें देखना है स्कूल और रिवर के बीच में कितना डिस्टेंस, तो ये आपको किसके थ्रू पता चलेगा, स्केल के थ्रू पता चलेगा, ठीक है। तो स्टूडेंट्स, लार्जर एरिया कैन बी शोन बाय स्मॉल पीस ऑफ पेपर and the shape of map. One more example is there. For example, students, map shows mountains, but mountain is so big, so how can we draw it? We can't draw. So on a map, mountain can be shown by a triangular shape, and if you want to know the distance, so you can know, but with the help of scale. For the purpose of measuring the distance, cartographers draw maps to a specific scale. Students, a person who design or draw a map called cartographer. The study of making geographical map called cartography. Maps are classified on the basis of their scale. Number 1, small scale map. Number 2, large scale map. Now, first we discuss small scale map. Students, small map show large area with little detail, such as continent, large countries, and etc. Large scale map shows smaller area with more detail. A large scale map shows only a small area such as town, a neighborhood, and etc. It gives information about an area with great detail. In an atlas, maps are small scale drawing. What is atlas? So students, atlas is a reference tool used to learn about the world. It is a book of map and information about countries. We use it when we need to find out the information about countries and places in all around the world. With the help of scale, we can find the real distance. Students, how can we measure the distance between two different things? So students, there is a school and there is a tree. So what's the difference between these two places? For example, students, 1 inch is equal to 1 mile. So here, if we measure the distance between school and the tree, so this distance is 1 inch. So we can write here 1 inch is equal to 1 mile. If the distance between two places is 2 inch, so we can write here 2 inch is equal to 2 miles. Students, I hope everything is clear to you. It's all about today's lecture. It's your assignment. So solve it and submit is in school. All the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.